Hello, welcome to Rayson's English Hub, where you can rock your English skills. In today's video, we're going to explore the fascinating world of American and British accents. It's fascinating how words can be pronounced differently on opposite sides of the ocean. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Okay, the first word in American English is schedule. Schedule. In British English, it is schedule. Schedule. The second word in American English is tomato. 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 In British English, is tomato. Tomato. Okay, this one is getting more challenging. In American English, it is advertisement. 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 In British English, it's advertisement. Advertisement. Number 4. In American English, the word is leisure. Leisure. In British English, it is leisure. Leisure. Number 5. In American English, it's zebra. Zebra. In British English, it's zebra or zebra. Zebra or zebra. Alright, number 6. In American English, it's mobile. Mobile. In British English, it's mobile. Mobile. Number 7. In American English, it's route or route. Route or route. In British English, it's route. Route. Alright, this pair is challenging. In American English, it's aluminum. Aluminum. The stress is on the second syllable on the sound of lu. Aluminum. Whereas in British English, the sound is totally different. The stress is on the third syllable on me. Together it's aluminium. Aluminium. The stress is on the third syllable, aluminium. Aluminium. Did you get it? Okay, this pair is often confused. In American English, it's garage. Garage. In British English, it's garage. Garage. Or garage. Garage. So the sound is very different. And if you're in the UK, you need to say garage or garage. Alright, this pair is very irregular. Let's look at the American accent first. This is pronounced lieutenant. Lieutenant. In British English, it's even more irregular. It's pronounced lieutenant. With the F sound here, lieutenant. So you can see there is no sound and spelling correspondence. And therefore it is very irregular, and you need to remember that it's pronounced lieutenant in British accent. Number 11. It's easier this time. In American English, it's dance. Dance. In British English, it's dance. Dance. Number 12. In American English, this is pronounced mischievous. Mischievous. In British English, it's mischievous. Mischievous. With the difference in the vowel sound here, in British accent, it's the E sound, the lax vowel, E. Mischievous. Whereas in American English, the vowel sound is reduced to schwa, so it's pronounced mischievous. Mischievous. Are you a mischievous student? Number 13. In American English, this is herb. Herb. In British English, it's pub. Pub. Next one. In American English, this is project. Project. In British English, it's project. Project. Where this particular vowel sound is not existent in American accent. That's the very special sound in British English. It's a rounded vowel O. So if you don't understand some of the terms here, do come back to Rayson's English Hub. I'm going to launch a series of pronunciation tutorials to help you master English pronunciation with a native-like accent and with confidence too. In American English, this one is adult. Adult. In British English, it's adult. Adult. Okay, this one is getting trickier. Number 16. In American English, this one is controversy. 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 In British English, this is controversy. Controversy or controversy. 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 So as you can see, the stress is on the second syllable, controversy, or on the first syllable, controversy. But the vowel sound is different from the R in American accent. Number 17. In American English, this is privacy. 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 In British English, it's privacy. Privacy. Number 18. In American English, this is ballet. 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 In British English, this is ballet. Ballet. Number 19. In American English, this is vitamin. Vitamin. In British English, this is vitamin. Vitamin. Finally, this is the last one. In American English, it's progress. Ah, progress. In British English, this is progress. Progress. Okay, so how do you find today's lesson? If you're interested in something like this, please let me know and leave your comment in the box below. And make sure that you come back to this channel, Rayson's English Hub, every week, where I can help you rock your English skills.